Lot F129 is a 1968 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck with a small block V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $33,000 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 6,889 miles, and the highlights are small block V8 engine, automatic transmission, orange and white paint, orange interior, power steering, power brakes, short bed, and alloy wheels. And this one didn't mention it had a real nice newer paint job on it. And for $30,000, I think it was a good buy. Gave you a nice short box Chevy pickup with a V8. You just need to put some different wheels on it if you want, and put a few more doodads on it, and it gives you a nice vehicle to start with for $30,000 plus a $3,000 buyer's fee. So $33,000 total gets you on a road with a nice truck with the paint work already done. That's the toughest thing to get done these days, is the paint work, body and paint. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.